Dr. Eggman, where did you send me off this time? Who do you want me to hunt? And why am I transported in this world? The TV. Why does it... has no connection? What is this? Oh. Is the TV broken? What, goddammit? Oh, it's... Sega. What happened? Oh. Wait, why is Dr. Eggman, Knuckles, Tails? But I've already fed him. I've already turned him into crisp and fed him to Dr. Eggman. What is this? Is this another reality? This doesn't matter. I will feed Dr. Eggman. Wait. That laughter. That sounds oddly familiar. This music. This is EXE's doing. I've never caught EXE before. Maybe this EXE will be the first fake god that I could feed to Dr. Eggman. Come here. Why did you have to make this path so long? I don't care. I will feed Dr. Eggman. It is my duty. It is my purpose. You will be my prey. That little pixel. Come here. What a waste of food. This could have been fed to Doctor. All these flickies, all these animals. Why waste their guts and just cook them and feed them? Why? Come here, EXE. You're mine. Wait. Where's Tails? It doesn't matter. You're my first victim. You will be my prey. Target spotted. What? I can't move. Oh wait. What? Why am I so slow? EXE. You're so close. Come here. Damn it. Hello, do you want to play with me? No. I want your guts. I want your meat. Where are we now? There's nothing here. What am I meant to do? I'm literally an oven. This heat doesn't bother me. If you're trying to burn me. No. Come here. What happened? Oh. You're right there. Stop teleporting me away. You are too slow. Want to try again? No. I want you to fight me. I need your guts. I need your skeleton. I need your head. You can't run. Who said I'm running? Alright, let's keep going forward. Why are you running away? This could make my life so much easier. You will be my first EXE. No matter what, I will feed Dr. Eggman. You have no purpose in this lifetime. Imagine being lazy and making a whole world a PNG sphere. I'm near the end of this road, so where are you? Are you kidding me? You're not even here. Oh, what the? Oh, do you like playing by the rules? What rules? F. To pay respects, what is this? This is new. I've never seen this. You think you're the master of the world, don't you? Wrong guy, you got the wrong person. This is my world. This seems like a boring world. There is no life form other than you. Soon the players will be joining us. What players? What are you on about? Are you even reading this? No, I'm not. I'm ignoring it now. What's this one? This seems different than the others. This one has color. You're next. Well, I'm waiting. Just come here. Oh, what's happening? Oh, you can't run. Oh, what's this? That was a red ring. Give me. What did that do? Am I meant to go this way? I can't even jump off. What is this? This is so boring. What is happening? There's nothing here. I'm here to get EXE, not this boring world. Of all things, Dr. Eggman, why did you transport me here? What? Okay, finally. Give me something. I need EXE. Absolutely. I've been running in this hallway for 5 minutes. Where are you? I need your head. Right, or whose blood is this? Is it yours? Is it Tails? Is it Knuckles? Is it Dr. Eggman? Your version of Dr. Eggman? Whose blood is it? Who? Oh, come here! What? Found you. No, you didn't. Oh, you gonna stand there? Come here. You're mine. I need you. Stop running. Oh, come here. I can't move. What now? Where am I? So many souls to play with, so little time. What? Come here. And you got lazy with the writing. Why do we have Mario tunnels here? I've seen this before. I know where this leads to, unlike the last time. Sonic, EXE, why do you waste my time? Can we just get this and over with? You will be dead. Give me your leg, give me your arm. Give me your ears. Anything at this point. You can regenerate, right? Just give me it. Give me a limb. Limb to limb. Anything will do. And you have to turn off the lights. Are you scared, EXE? You know I'll do it. I will rip you limb to limb. Just like Tails, Knuckles, Amy, Cream, Vanilla, Knuckles, the Echidna tribe, everyone. I will feed Dr. Eggman. Start Eggman. Finally, what? You were so close. Don't give me that laugh. Don't give me that smile. You're not God. Is that it? Is this why I was sent here? To play a game? Or another reality? Round 2? Game over. I'm done.